Hi guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you how going vegan has impacted my life. Going vegan has impacted my life in ways I never thought it would. I thought it was just a diet, but I was so wrong. Before I went vegan, I was living life with what feels like now with rose-coloured glasses on. I was in autopilot. I went about my day not caring about much else other than myself. It wouldn't ever cross my mind where my food was coming from, how I was living was impacting the world, how I was living was impacting other people. I was very much in my own bubble, very naive, and believed everything I was taught growing up was right. But since going vegan, it feels like I've taken off the rose-coloured glasses and started to see the world for how it actually is, and not just how my parents thought they saw it. I don't go day by day in autopilot anymore. I have thought behind every decision I make, whether that be in what I eat, what shampoo I buy, whether to drive or to walk. Are my everyday actions causing damage to the environment? I first went vegan because my friend had lost weight, so I thought I would too, which I have. I have lost a stone in the year that I've been vegan, but just a disclaimer, all vegan food isn't good food. There's a lot of vegan junk food out there. You've still got to live the balanced lifestyle. And I've still got weight to lose, but that's one of my 2020 goals. I did research for hours. Every day you slowly peel back what the industry has been hiding from you, what they don't want you to see. You see how animals are being treated and that high welfare and red tractor labels are just marketing ploys to make you feel comfortable with your purchases. For years I called myself an animal lover, yet I was eating them. I wouldn't ever dream of hurting a dog, let alone eating a dog, so why was I okay with eating other animals? How have I been living my life so inconsistent? I got angry and felt so confused to how and why I wasn't educated in this. Why hadn't my parents told me the truth? Why had it taken me 27 years to find this out? So I researched more and more and found out not only that the meat, dairy and egg industry are absolutely hideous, it also is creating devastating effects on the planet. And then it dawned on me, what world are my niece and nephews going to have when they are my age? And was I okay in telling them that I knew what was happening, but I did nothing to help? So it started to become not only what I was eating, it becomes so much more. I was thinking of ways how I could reduce my plastic, buy more sustainably and more environmentally friendly, and even being more open-minded about everything. And was everything that I was taught growing up a lie? And now, a year on being vegan, it's taught me so much more than I ever imagined. It's not only taught me about the animal agriculture industry, about climate change, about health risks, about eating animal products. It's not only taught me to live more thoughtfully and sustainably, it's made me grow into a more simple person. It's made me less materialistic. It's made me look at the world how I see, not how my parents see it. Growing up around opinionated parents who think they are right about everything is hard. But you slowly realise their opinions aren't yours and you start to find your own words and your own mind. Growing up with 3 sisters and a mum who always said, you need leather boots, you need leather handbags, you can't have faux leather, that's not good enough. You need goose down duvets and goose down pillows, not the foam ones. If you're going to buy it, then get the real thing. They always had to have the big label handbags or the big label cars, so I just thought that was the norm. I believe that I needed that stuff too, to show how successful I was, or to show what kind of person I was. I couldn't afford these things, but I felt like I had to keep up with appearances. And by doing this, I got myself into debt, and just a side note, don't go poor trying to look rich. But since going vegan, I have become less about things and how I look to others. I focus on what I need and making moments and memories. I don't desire the lavish lifestyle my family portray. I'm happy being minimalistic and having less around me. The only thing some may say is a fault since I've gone vegan is that I've become very distant. I've become very distant to those around me who aren't vegan. To me, they don't understand or still have their rose-coloured glasses on. They are still living in their parents' opinions and views on how they see the world. They've not yet taken off those rose-coloured glasses, and that's okay. Everyone is on their own journey, but for me personally, I can't be around people who are for something I'm so against. It's not worth the argument sometimes, whether it's family or friends. This whole journey has opened my eyes to what really matters. It's made me see the world how I see it, and not the closed-minded opinions I was once brainwashed with. Clearing the background noise, stripping away the materialistic things, you can focus on what really matters, and you start seeing the world for what it really is. For me, the benefits of being vegan far outweigh the ones that some say are bad, or some say that have changed me. Being vegan is not a diet. It is truly an awakening. This is how becoming vegan has changed my life. Thanks for watching.